What if I told you you could create a passive income source that would give you at least $10,000 every single month? However, it's going to take a little bit of work, but if you stick with me, 1 year from now, you could be earning that sort of money. Now, when I say work, we're talking not a lot here, maybe 2 hours a week. If you're willing to put that time in, 12 months from now, you could be looking at exactly that, 10K a month, which is over 6 figures a year. So here is the plan in a nutshell. We want $10,000 per month. We're going to get traffic. We're going to send traffic to an affiliate offer. They're going to purchase. We get commission. Sounds pretty simple, right? Well, actually, there's a little bit more to it than that. So we're going to need to go into what the outline is, but then also the implementation stage. So I want you to stick with this entire video so you don't miss a step. First things first, you're going to need an affiliate offer to sell. Now, what I like to do is have a look through places like ClickBank or other affiliate networks to see if there's something in the niche that I'm interested in that can produce us that 10K a month. So I'll have a look through ClickBank and see exactly what is likely to be jumping out at me. Now, this would look pretty good if you were, say, like a woman, targeting women itself, but again, it's not really interesting to me. However, I do like the idea of some of these on here, so I'm going to find one and take a look and see what's best for me. Now, in the niche that I have my YouTube channel in, Longtail Pro is a keyword research software, which is absolutely perfect. Not only has it got a high conversion rate, that makes my life a lot easier if I'm trying to generate the 10K. So if we go back over to the little planner, $600 commission means I'm going to need to generate about 16 sales per month. Now, all of a sudden, that doesn't sound like too bad. It's one sale every other day. But where do we get the traffic from? Well, my top recommendation for traffic would be YouTube. Now, you might be thinking, I really don't want to create videos. I don't like being on camera, or I feel awkward about it. But believe you and me, it is going to be worth it. And there is a way to do it without even showing your face. Just to give you an example here, I'm not even on the screen. All I'm doing is talking over it. And if you really didn't want to talk over it yourself, you could have it, the whole video scripted out and read by someone else if you just go and have a look on Fiverr. But how do the actual figures stack up when you think about how much views you're going to need to get the sale in the first place? First thing we're going to need to do is sign up as an affiliate on Longtail Pro. Now, I'm not going to go into that, but all I need to know is that on average, if someone lands on a page that I've directed them to, about 1% are actually going to go ahead and purchase. Now, that actually might increase depending on how well I've driven the traffic in the first place, but we're going to use a 1% as a low ball offer, which means for every 100 people, we're going to get one purchase, and that's going to create us the $600. But if you remember back here, we actually need 16 sales per month. So that's going to mean that we actually need 16 times 100, which, if your maths is good, is about 1600 clicks to actually go and see this part of the offer. Now, when we mentioned YouTube earlier on, it's going to be really simple to make videos that people are actually going to want to see and hear about this particular offer. So you can go into each of the websites, you can look at FAQs, you can have a look at what other people are asking online, you could go to various different sites. In fact, the actual program itself will probably help you find keywords that you can use to promote it. So that's a really cool option right there. And as we're using YouTube, I'm just going to switch this out now so you can actually see it going straight to the offer. But we need to create some videos. Now, if we did a really bad job, then we're perhaps only going to get about 20 views per day on our YouTube video, right? But we need 16 sales a month. So that's 1600 clicks per month, right? Now, the average amount of people that are going to go ahead and click a link from our video could be as little as 1%, right? So that's going to make our job a little harder if we just had one video. So what's the key thing here? Create more videos, right? So what if I told you you could do around 50 to 100 videos, you could make them really quickly, and you could actually have them all up and online within 1 year and actually get you to that 10K a month. Because then what we're doing is we're actually multiplying our efforts. We're not just starting with one video, we're actually starting out with tons, right? So what we want to be able to do is have a whole army of videos all going to the affiliate offer to get enough clicks per month. Right now, if I said before about how many times people are going to click on the video, then there's a good chance only 1% will. So we're going to up the amount of people that actually need to see our videos, right? So I'm going to suggest when we do the maths, it's going to be pretty straightforward, but I will bear it on this now. So 20 views a day, let's just have a look at that. And we know that 1% will click. Therefore, we need 100 times that. So that, 1, 2, 3, there we go, 160,000 views. That still sounds quite a lot, but let's just say that we've got more videos out there. So if we had, say, 50 videos, so do one a week, and we're actually getting better at our SEO, we're getting better at the videos now. Let's say we're getting on average 40 views a day on each videos. Let's just have a look and see how that works out. So if we manage to get 50 videos at 50 views per day, that is 2,500 views per day, or over the month, 75,000 views, which we are getting close to this here. Now, let's just say if we got even slightly better at our CTAs and we were able to increase that by 2, all of a sudden we're making these figures here. So that is the framework of how it all gets put together. And of course, this is just going to be one of a series showing you in depth on how to actually not only pick your offer, but promote your offer, and also as well how to increase the amount of clicks, increase the amount of commissions and sales that you're going to achieve. And just to give you a little taster of that, I'm just going to show you something real quick on the screen. Now, when you first look at this, it might look really complicated, but the nice thing is we're going to go through this all in depth, as I said before. So make sure you watch the next one in the series to show you how you can build this out into a fully automated system that will keep you at that 10K and above level every single month. So go ahead and watch the next one in the series.